Nancy the fat cat tiptoed into a farmer's yard and stole a goat. Instead of hurting it right away, Nancy filled a big tub and gave the goat a fancy shower, scrubbing it like it was a royal guest. Then, Nancy cooked a special meal for the goat, and after eating, the goat became so full that it fell asleep peacefully. But Nancy had a secret plan. Once the goat was fast asleep, he ended its life and cooked it into a grand feast. Finally, Nancy called his big brother, the giant cat, and together they sat in Nancy's little kitchen, laughing loudly as they enjoyed the roasted goat.